The multi-radial motherboard presents a curve radial that increases as the curve increases. So we have a variable radial curve. The material that contacts the motherboard surface will roll up and stay away from the surface of the motherboard instead of concentrating compact in front of it. Due to the less difficult and effort to move the material, we're going to have feel safe and quicker job. The cap is mounted on the red chassis, resulting high visibility of the blade, and the operator can sit in the seat and maintain the visibility of the operation instead of stay stand. The competition machine used to have a gauge in charge to show the articulation angle because it's impossible to know during the job the right front chassis articulation. So the operator has to pay attention on blades, controllers, pedals, and one more articulation gauge. The front chassis articulation provides excellent visibility to the motherboard, circle, saddle, and tires. Besides, our machines present the higher articulation angle than the competition, 25 degrees for each side. This contributes to a tighter turning radius. CN8 graders are the unique with front articulation among major competitors. The external circle teeth is important to guarantee higher torque from hydraulic motor, easy cleaning and maintenance. In case of strong motherboard impact, the external circle teeth are important because the circle will move away from the pinion that stays fixed in front of and outside the circle teeth. The pinion will not stay loaded during grading jobs. Avoid premature wear of the pinion, circle teeth, and internal part of pinion hub. A-frame drawbar to distribute the load in 2 points instead of 1 point, as we can see on T-frame used for some competitors. This kind of design avoids twisting and guarantee more robust frame. The ball joint of the drawbar is bolted instead of welded, as we can see in some important competitors. This solution reduces the time and cost to replace this wear part present in the motor graders. The new cap presents a new design, bigger glazed area, and more powerful air conditioning system. In the right console, we have all switches and some devices such as air conditioner, transmission lever, and manual throttle. All devices and levers are located in easy position for great operator ergonomy and comfort. The steering wheel and steering column are adjustable in order to maintain the operator comfort. The RD140B has automatic limit slip function to guarantee the rear wheel traction in all kinds of ground. This is automatic system, that's why there isn't switch to turning on or off. This function makes the rear axle to transmit until 45% of torque from the slipping wheels to the gripping wheels. The RD170B and RD200B have a diff lock system. The diff lock doesn't work automatically, so there is a switch in the steering column above the steering wheel in order to turn it on or off. This function blocks the differential and makes it work as a rigid shift, so the torque transmitted to the wheels are the same. In this case, it's prohibited to turn the machine with this function activated, because otherwise you can break the differential or internal rear axle components. The New Holland motor graders are the best in class in serviceability and maintainability. Ground line bearing self-check is important because it's not necessary to climb on the equipment. Besides, we have a graded access to components throughout flip-up hoods and fold-down panels. Hydraulic system test port in ground line to facilitate the safety and maintenance inspection related to pressure measure of hydraulic system. Swing out batteries in both sides to easy engine component access. Easy access to filters and seals, lever checks, and drains.